Driving school in East Flatbush. Folks, this been here with Pierre Driving School. We've always covered lesson here on those areas. So we're gonna cover things here for beginners as you're driving, things that there for you to pay attention to. Because in the end, it's all about things that you need to do. You see, I'm slowing down here. All right, I'm still good. Okay, because I was right coming at the light. I don't want to run no yellow light. All right, so things that they're looking for you to do as you're doing your road test. As a beginner, actually, you need to make sure that you understand all the functionality of the car. When you get in the car with any driving school, make sure that they go over with you the component of the car, knowing that what are they and what are they for, and how to use them effectively to your liking as you're doing your lesson. As a new driver in general, you wanted to know those things, because reason why you don't want to be getting in the car and something were to go down, you do not know what to do. All right, don't just get behind the steering wheel and begin to drive. That's not a good thing for you to do. We make sure that you have people driving school, we take care of that for you. That's not an issue for you. All right, anything with driving related, however, please always feel free to contact Pierre Driving School. We definitely can help you to not only that get over your fear, your stress, and as well as get you prepared. After you get your license, you can drive by yourself and go places, since driving is really started the minute that you pass your road test, because from there you're gonna have to make all your decisions by yourself. There will be nobody around you to help you know what's the right move to make. I'm gonna go on the left, mirror left, shoulder left, because reason why I'm gonna keep straight. I'm coming over to my left lane, because a couple lights over, I'm gonna make a left turn. Whenever you're making a left turn on a one-way road with 2-lane street, you have to be to the closest lane that you turn into, because you cannot make the left turn from the right lane on the 2-lane street. That will not be acceptable. That will be too wide, and that can cause accident. All right, so you have to understand the rule of the rules and how to deliver in the event of anything happen while you're driving, because always expecting unexpected. Then that the thing that you have control over, you have to try your best to be on top of them, because nobody gonna be here driving in your favor. You have to drive not only to protect yourselves and also to protect others as well. Okay, we're going straight here. Ahead, I'm already seeing that the car that double parking on my left side. I'm gonna go over to my right a little bit. I'm slowing down. Okay. Mirror right, shoulder right. I'm bringing the car over. Come back to my left again. Mirror left, shoulder left. Coming back over. If you guys notice what I'm doing, anything I'm doing contrary from going straight, I must signal every last of my attention. And what else am I supposed to do? Check my mirrors and shoulders. For a new driver, as you're gonna start driving, always make sure that you're on top of your SMSA. Is the acronyms that we created here at Pierre Driving School, stand for signal, mirror, shoulder, and action. Always make sure that whatever you do, contrary to going straight, you must signal all of your attention. You must check your mirror, you must check your shoulder, then you take action. Otherwise, you're gonna be in problem as you're taking your road test here with the DMV examiner. You see how much I'm scanning? Okay, at the light coming up, we're making a left turn. That was the reason why I came over on the left lane, because I cannot make no left turn from the right lane. And I see that light started to blink. I'm slowing down already, because I do not want to run a yellow light. You see what I'm saying? Good. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make my turn. Nice and smooth, it ain't no rush. All right, make my turn here. Continue to drive. All right, always making sure that you cover all your mirrors and shoulders as you're doing lesson. As a beginner, never wash on the accelerator. It ain't no rush for you to keep going to the accelerator. You have to make sure that you know what you're doing first. All right, once you mastered what you're doing, then you can start washing for the accelerator, because you will be building up a little more of confidence here. Mirror right, shoulder right. See how much I'm taking my time and make my turn. I'm still covering my brake as my car going around. See what's going on here? Okay, continue to drive here at the traffic light, making a right turn. I'm already seeing that the light is the light is red, and there's a human on my left side pushing something. I'm paying attention to that. I'm covering my brake. Any stupidity, I'm on the brake, not on the exit. You see, it's pushing on the street now. You see, pushing my way. My foot is already on the brake, going around. Do not honk at the person, going around, making my right turn here. So I'm going with this, folks. Those are the reasons why you've always covering your brake and always expected unexpected, all right? As I'm sitting here, before I fully pulling out, I'm gonna check my mirror right, shoulder right, mirror right, shoulder right. Most likely, guys, the direction you go in, that's when you pay attention more. If I'm making a right turn, I'm paying more attention to mirror right, shoulder right. Oftentimes, I've been seeing students putting their hands behind the examiner when they're making turn. You cannot do that, folks. It's not acceptable. You only put your hands behind when your car is into reverse. I've seen it lately, students started to do that. Not a good approach, all right, folks? Not a good approach. You've always want both hands on the steering wheel. The only time that you wanted to bring your hands behind the examiner, it's only when your car is into reverse. Otherwise, I will consider with driving with one hand. Most of the time, the examiner will fail you. They get nervous. Can you imagine you going 25 miles per hour and you're taking one hand, making a turn? It's not going to be a good approach for the examiner. You scare them up, okay? I'm driving here. Now, listen to the instruction. At the corner here, we're making a right turn. At the corner, which is right here, not the light. A lot of students get this confused because the light is just close to me. They think they can go to the light. No, at the corner, it's right here. We're making a right turn. All right, folks? Corner come before light. If examiner wants you to make the turn at the light, they will come precisely. At the traffic light, we're making a right turn. Light is light, corner is corner. I cannot tell you making a right turn at the corner and it's a traffic light. My instruction will be wrong. All right, folks? I want you to get that. Many students get this confused. Traffic light, right turn. At the corner, right turn. At the intersection, left turn. At the light, left turn. Okay? Be on the lookout for that. There's a right side here. There's a road test site here they call Starry City. A lot of students, when the examiner said right turn at the corner, they shoot for the light. Cannot do that. Light is light, corner is corner, all right? We're making a right turn at the light here, so you guys can see what I'm talking about, all right? At the light, all right, folks? Yes. These are the things that as a beginner, even some advanced drivers, some intermediate, before taking your road test, you must understand those things before you go for your road test. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do that and also ring the notification icon. So each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Okay, we've been here at Pierre. I'm Ben here with Pierre Driving School in the New York area, in Brooklyn specifically. We help you with all your driving needs. Okay, check our website, pierrepauldraiving.com. Any help that you need, any question, put in the comment. We can definitely help you. At this traffic light here, right turn, mirror right, shoulder right, make the turn. It ain't no wash, okay? It ain't no wash, folks. We're gonna do it again. At the light again here, right turn, signal the turn. Okay, right over here. You stop the minute that you start losing the first white line, okay? We're gonna do mirror right, shoulder right, and go to the turn and follow where? To the closest lane you turn into. You see what I mean? In the instance, to my right lane. I'm gonna make a left turn at this traffic light here. I'm gonna signal to my left, mirror left, shoulder left. I'm gonna go over. What I'm also paying attention to, I noticed that there is a car that double park on my left side ahead. And no lights on or whatnot. They probably double parking. I'm falling back so I can pay attention in the event that I have to go around them to make my turn. You see, now they're bringing the blinker. I'm gonna signal to my right to go around it. Those are the things that you have to pay attention. Forward planning, see ahead what's going on. You see mirror right, shoulder right, all right? Then I'm gonna signal to my left to make my turn. I'm gonna do, you see mirror left, I see the human crossing. I'm gonna let the human cross completely, all right? Then they're finished, check my shoulder again, bring my turn on. So what's going on here? And we're gonna do a pull in here. Pay attention to that, guys. Pull in, mirror right, shoulder right, and we're gonna do a pull in here. Okay, guys? Pull in different from pulling over. If the examiner said we're gonna do a pull in, they want you to pull in that open space. They want you to pull in, all right? So I'm gonna get my car fixed better. Then you put your car into parking and you follow instruction from there. Until then, keep practicing, folks. Take care now. Bye-bye.